EPA shirt machines for exclusive garments. EPA 405 Cuff Shaping and Blocking Machine. Cuff Shaping and Blocking Machine perfectly irons shirt cuffs and prepares the cuffs to be worn on the shirt sleeves. Ensures perfect and standard ironing of the cuffs with its automatic mold drive, 340mm to 140mm ironing hopper size. Adjustable digital temperature control ensures perfect adaptation to all types of fabrics for excellent ironing quality. Easy toggle switch for single and double pressing. Machine features separate adjustable pressing time control for single and double pressing. Adjustable pressing settings ensure perfect results on sensitive fabrics. Easy and fast mold changing system. A number of safety precautions protect the operator. EPA 405 has PLC, Programmable Logic Control. EPA 405 achieves processing capacity of 300 pieces an hour. EPA 405 has a CE certificate, 24/7 worldwide factory support. EPA shirt machines being used over 50 countries worldwide, 30 years of experience. EPA 405 Cuff Shaping and Blocking Machine. For more information on our shirt machines, please visit www.epaakin.com.